those who go to the office. No, you know what? Let me stop explaining. So, hello, gorgeous. I'm going to be giving you 25 video ideas to help grow your YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and start with video idea number 1. Now, granted, there are more, so make sure you get your pen and paper and be ready to jot down these video ideas right now. So first video idea is what I eat in a day. So it can be what I eat in a day as a vegetarian, as plant-based, and so forth. Just make sure you just fill in the blank of what I eat in a day. Make sure you add vegetarian, plant-based eater. So tip number 2 will be a morning routine. So morning routine as a teenager, morning routine as a single mom, morning routine as a working mom. Video number 3 will be a night routine, because once you do morning, you will need to go ahead and do a night routine, and also just fill in the blank as I stated before. Tip number 4 will be a day in the life as a single mom, a mom of 5, or as a mom of 7. Video number 5 will be skincare routine. So if you have acne or problems with your skin and you have found a solution, do a skincare routine and share the actual product that you use to help clear your skin, because you'll be able to help so many ladies out here who are struggling with the same problem. Number 6 will be product reviews. If you have an Amazon, if you bought anything from Amazon, if you bought anything from TikTok, or if you bought anything from Shein, people are more inclined to go to that website and purchase the same item only because you have raved so highly about it. Number 7 will be gym routine. Number 8 will be story time. People love a good story time, so make sure you get all your ducks in the... No, let me stop. Your story time can be about anything, like if you went to jail, or if you got locked in Walmart by mistake. Make sure your story time is real and realistic and it's actually true, okay? Don't do any fake stories around here. Make sure your your story is true. Number 9 will be bedroom transformation. I'm reading off of a list here. Bedroom transformation. Number 10 is clean with me. Number 11 is small kitchen decoration ideas. If you have a small kitchen or a big kitchen, everybody doesn't have a big kitchen. So if you have a small kitchen, people want to see how you decorate it, and then they'll be more inclined to decorate their kitchen and have... who wouldn't want to spruce up their kitchen? So if you have good decoration ideas and you know how to fix everything up with cute decor that is simple, realistic, affordable decor, people love that. Number 12 will be small pantry organization ideas. Number 13 will be weight loss journey. 14 will be a try-on haul. So if it's a Shein try-on haul, a TikTok try-on haul, Walmart try-on haul. All of those are pretty affordable, and people are always looking for affordable things so that they can buy and look nice and cute too, just like you. Number 15 will be unpopular opinions. So like, you can go on Instagram if you have a big following over there. Hey, ask them some questions about unpopular opinions that they have about you. Pick about 20 of them, bring it over here over YouTube and make a video about it. But make sure you tell your Instagram audience that you're going to make a YouTube video. That way they'll be more inclined to come over to your YouTube channel, help you with your watch time. Number 16 will be get to know me. Again, you can ask your audience on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Pick out some good questions so that people can relate more and get to know you better. 17 will be self-care. Number 18 will be travel with me. So if you love to travel, if you love to go abroad, if you love to just go out on excursions, film it. People want to see. Number 19 will be natural hair routine. So girl, if you're trying to be natural and you're just starting your big chop, film that, because people want to see your hair growth and how you can retain your length, how you can have healthy hair. The list goes on and on. Number 20 will be mukbangs or mukbangs. B Loves Life is very popular. She grew her channel off of doing mukbangs, just sitting in front of a camera and eating seafood boils. 21 is cook with me. So cook with me for Thanksgiving, cook with me for dinner, for breakfast. If you love to eat, go ahead and start filming that. Everybody eats, so just film your cook with me. 22 is meal prep. Everyone loves a good meal prep for weight loss. So they want to see kind of like what you eat in a day or what you eat for the next 5 days. So a meal prep of simple protein, veggies, and some healthy carbs and fats. That's a good meal prep for people to watch so that they can be on their healthy journey. 23 is a get ready with me. So with me filming, I should have did a get ready with me of simple makeup, just doing my hair, putting on my clothes, boom. Every morning, for those who go to the office, no, you know what, let me stop explaining. So me to go out, hanging with the girls, or get ready with me to go to work, or get ready with me to go to the gym. So 24 would be a how-to video. So how-tos are very popular. How to dye your natural hair at home, how to fix a toilet, how to fix a transmission on your car, how to clean your house, how to get stains out of your how to get mildew off of your walls. People are looking for answers, so the how-tos is always going to be popular. In number 25, because it's July, we got back to school. So making back to school videos regarding like supplies, getting the clothes ready, what's in my backpack, first day of school, the list goes on and on. So here are my 25 videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, there is more. There is hundreds and thousands of videos, ideas that I can come up with. But thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, gorgeous.